How to choose the right cordless drill driver for your home maintenance needs. When it comes to tackling home maintenance projects, having the right cordless drill driver can make all the difference. In this comprehensive review, we'll guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting the perfect tool for your needs. We'll also take a closer look at the WORKPRO 12V Pink cordless drill driver and home toolkit, offering insights into its features and performance. Before diving into the options, assess your home maintenance requirements. Different projects demand varying levels of power, speed, and versatility. Whether you're assembling furniture, drilling into tough materials, or working on intricate DIY crafts, knowing your needs is the first step. The WORKPRO 12V cordless drill driver is designed to strike a balance between power and portability. With a 12V battery, it offers ample power for most household tasks while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Consider the voltage of the drill based on the intensity of your projects. A versatile tool is invaluable. The WORKPRO kit not only includes a drill driver, but also a comprehensive set of hand tools. This versatility ensures you have the right equipment for a range of tasks, reducing the need for multiple tools cluttering your workspace. The efficiency of your cordless drill driver is heavily dependent on its battery life and charging time. The WORKPRO 12V model boasts a reliable battery with a decent lifespan, and its charging time is optimized for quick turnaround, minimizing downtime during your projects. Comfort is key, especially for prolonged use. The WORKPRO drill features an ergonomic design with a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended periods of operation. Consider how the tool feels in your hand, as this directly affects your overall user experience. A durable tool is an investment that pays off over time. Our examination of the WORKPRO drill reveals sturdy construction and quality materials, ensuring longevity even with regular use. Durability is a crucial factor in selecting a cordless drill for your home maintenance arsenal. The WORKPRO kit stands out with its 14-inch storage bag and distinctive pink ribbon addition, adding a touch of style to your toolkit. Assess any additional features offered by the drill, as they can enhance convenience and user satisfaction. Choosing the right cordless drill driver involves a careful consideration of your specific needs and the tool's features. The WORKPRO 12V Pink cordless drill driver and home toolkit impresses with its balance of power, versatility, and style, making it a reliable choice for various home maintenance tasks. As you embark on your DIY journey, this review aims to be your guide in selecting a tool that not only meets but exceeds your expectations.